Hey everybody, Josh from Populi here, and we are breezing through the process of a faculty user creating file type assignments. If you have further questions about file type assignments after watching this video, we have a much more in-depth video that covers the same subject, and that is linked in the description. A file type assignment is an assignment students can access on a course in Populi and to which they can upload a file. The instructor can then view the file in Populi or download it to review on their device. When they've reviewed the file, the instructor enters a grade, and if they want, other feedback for the student to view. To create a file type assignment, faculty on a course will go to the course and then to the Assignments tab. You'll click Add Assignments and then choose Add an Assignment from the drop-down. Give the assignment a name. Under Type, click the drop-down and select File. The Points field is the only other required field here. Enter the number of points out of which you'll grade this assignment. The rest of the fields here are either set to their default positions or are optional. Once everything is set the way you want it, click Save. Once you've created the assignment, you can then edit it by clicking into the assignment and then over on the right, clicking Edit and making any changes there. Now students enrolled in this course will be able to access the assignment and upload their file. The maximum file size a student can submit on an assignment is 5 gigabytes. Hope it's enough. Once students have submitted their files, you'll review and grade them. Like other assignments, file type assignments can be attached to lessons. Again, if you have further questions about file type assignments, we have another video that goes into much greater depth, and you'll find that in the description below. Thanks for watching.